Senator John Onwuaneno on the floor of Senate has called the attention of relevant government authorities to the plight of the Bomaji community in Boki local government area of Cross River State, which has been cut off from the state by flood. The senator representing Central Senatorial District of Cross River State, while addressing the Senate, noted that
Mr. President, I'd like to use this platform to call attention to a community in my senatorial district, Bomaji community, which is in dire need of aid, in dire need of support and assistance as a result of the very heavy rains, huge flooding, and the massive mudslides that took place and ravaged the entire community just about a week ago. Now, this happened as a result of, like I said, the huge flooding and the rains that took place. Now, the Bomaji people, the community is totally cut off from the rest of the state, from the rest of the country. And, the effects of this heavy flooding and devastating landslide have blocked the only road that connects the community to the rest of the state. The only bridge on this road that leads to about 4 primary schools and the only secondary school in the area was also washed off. Now, this road, which is ordinarily an earth road, was, access to it was provided in the early 90s by the one-time military administrator of the state, Ernest Kizito Atta. It's up to the Cameroons and the Cross River National Park, as well as even the ranch resort. And it's an area that has about 70-something communities that are totally cut off. Even with the resumption of schools, the children can't go to school. I mean, the secondary school can't even open, the primary schools and all that. Now, the only health facility, they have to get out as far away to Obudu. So that means that there's going to be quite a severe health challenge and crisis unless attention is given to these communities. And I think that it's important that, like I said, use this platform to call the attention of every relevant agency of government, NEMA, everyone, all people of goodwill, all people that can help these people. Because ordinarily, when I ran for the Senate, that was about the first time that someone running for public office will even visit these communities because of the difficulty of the terrain they come from. Now matters have become compounded because of this challenge and this damage that has occurred to their roads. So I like to appeal, like to use this opportunity to call on NEMA, because there are a lot of things that are lacking as a result of this. NEMA should intervene, come to the aid and to the assistance and to the support of these communities. Let them be made to know that at least they are appreciated as Nigerians. Every agency of government, like I said, the only bridge leading to the place is being washed up by rains. And I think that we need support, we need assistance, and we need the attention of government.
All right, thank you.
Achibong Jeremiah, Cross River TV.